Hey, welcome back to the channel. We got some parts in today. UPS or USPS hooked it up. So I got some new, what are these? Are the belt tensioner for the rear swing arm on the axle. So one of them's bent. So I had to order a set, found them on eBay. They were like 14 bucks. So got that. Got some new brake lever, clutch lever from the Land of Cheap Parts. So, and what else do I got? I got some tires here, new rear and a new front, waiting to get those put on. And I got some fresh new mirrors also from the Land of Cheap Parts, because this one's all floppy. It's missing the one over here. So I got two of them. So we'll see how those look. Put them on and test them out. It's sitting right here. I got one coming. Hopefully it's right, because I'm 0-2 right now. Brake levers, wrong. Well, that's clutch, but brake lever, clutch lever, ordered them. It's for a 99 to 17. Don't know why they don't fit. So it says it'll fit a 99 to 17 Sportster. Does not fit. I do dig these these rear views. A lot of people run singles or don't run any at all, but I like to know what's going on behind me in case someone's running up on me at a stoplight or anything like that. I ain't trying to get smoked, but when we get this fender, we'll see what happens. Got the fresh new meats on, got the axle tensioner on, brand new, no more bent one, so that's nice and sharp. And tires, man, those things they're meaty, but I'm sure I'll rip through them pretty quick. So waiting on that front fender, man. Coming from the Land of Cheap Parts. The other one right there, but nothing I can do till I get it. So everything's good. So nice out here. Boys, we got the bike out. Unzoom, come on. There we go. Yeah, she's riding good. No issues. Thing does look pretty good, I'll give it that. I need to wrap these pipes, man, they get hot. I got the boots on right now too, and man, it is, whew, getting toasty. But check that out, that's pretty cool. It's somebody's property, but I give it a thumbs up, I'll tell you right now. See how easy this thing starts up? Man, these lights, they look good. I still gotta adjust them. I was messing with it earlier. I was gonna put the grips on, took them off, but they don't fit, so. But no big deal, we're gonna get another set ordered up. But not bad, that's the sun right there. You'd be looking at the sun. Super satisfied with this pipe right here. This whole setup, man, it sounds damn good. But it's a nice looking bike, dude, for free. Minus the parts I dumped in it, but boys, look at that. Dented up real big time right there. Somewhere else on here too. I just scuffed the box, dude. That's a sad day. But she's dented up real big up here in the front. That ain't right. Like a month for this fender. Finally got it. Time to throw it on here. And this build will be pretty much complete. I mean, fresh tires and good brakes. Check that out. Sorry for the shadows, but UPS man just dropped this off literally as I was getting home. So as long as this weather holds, I'm gonna get this thing out. Might ride it to work tomorrow. We'll see. Who knows? But that's a hands down better improvement than this piece of garbage. Look at this thing. Trash, man. Cool. But I've only got 31 out of the 50 states. So I just got my newest collection right there, or newest piece to the collection. That was my first Alabama tag right there. Got it from Jonathan. Come off that farm truck he's got, Frank. But that's a whole plate right there, I'll tell you. Everything else up here, I do have the 6-letter red Arizona plate. That's an old California plate. There's an older, where's the Oregon plate? That's an old Oregon plate. So I got a few old ones up there, a few gems, but the rest of them are tucked away in a box. I just wanted to get these ones up here. Small collection of beer bottle caps. I actually just got a bag in the mail. A guy from my hometown, he's also making videos for YouTube. He does snorkel. He snorkels a lot and finds all kinds of cool stuff. This is his channel right here, Polish Mafia 928. He's out there snorkeling through the Colorado River. You can go check out his channel. He's got some sick videos finding all kinds of cool stuff. But he just sent me those over. I gotta put those in.